Hi, my name is Kim Moon. I'm the interior designer at Garvin Design Group. Interiors is taking care of all of the architectural finishes, a lot of the detailing, particularly in the millwork in a space like this. It's just always very interesting doing the research about what this building was in its past and how we can convey that to the users of today. Columbia does have a very rich fabric of historical preservation. We often don't find today the exquisite care and craftsmanship that went into these historical structures, and so it is a real treat to be able to bring them back to life. What worked really nicely for this building was that we were able to keep those original bays intact from the fire station to these beautiful living room spaces. That just worked perfectly. Part of the historic tax credit requirements was to convey and maintain the spaces in the open bays that they were originally as part of the fire station. And you can see how the fireplace and the custom walnut screens are aligned with the original columns to create perfectly sized living room bays throughout the lobby space. I think if you walk around this building exterior, it's very apparent how well this building was preserved initially, and then as part of the project, how it was continued to be preserved. The exterior facade still has the signage that says Columbia Headquarters, Fire Station. The training tower is still absolutely intact, exactly as it were. The existing fire poles that connected the upstairs dormers to the fire station garage below. Some of the detailing that we incorporated into the fire pole was the diamond plate that's found on the trucks themselves. Up above, we have custom light fixture incorporated about the pole, which was similar to the cage that the firemen would climb into to come down the pole. This image depicts the firemen having their morning coffee, and this is the coffee station space. In the background, you can see there was a brick-type tile on the wall, about 42 inches tall. So we replicated that with the new tile in the space. When you come here, you immediately know that it was a fire station.